So let's understand the dynamics of a plastic recycling industry that you can create. There are several things that we can help you with, but let's understand the dynamics. On one side, we have this raw material which is nearly freely available to you, which is recycled uh, and dirty, wasted plastics, which you can source from various ways. They come to that. You bring that to your industry, and then we help you establish a series of equipment which will not only clean this plastic, it will segregate the same, and then process it in such a way that it creates virgin, near virgin quality, and you can sell it in the marketplace. So, so let's look at it step by step now on how do you source the plastics first. So, how do you source the plastics and where this plastics will come from? So, this plastic is a commodity which has got used up. It is available. It's either available in the landfill, it's available with municipalities, it's available with kabadiwalas, it's available with the waste pickers, it could be available with anyone that you have to tap into and get. So, we not only help you with the same in terms of tie up with the municipality and trying to source the plastics from them. When the dry waste comes in some municipalities and in the other municipalities we are working with, we are actually trying to create the channel of dry and wet waste. And it goes through a trommel. Through the trommel, the waste is getting segregated. And then once the high amount of solid waste is separated, then we kind of do various process to take out the bio elements, things which can biodegrade. So we allow it through composting process, and then what is not available for composting actually means it is inert to biology, so to say, and therefore plastics comes out from the same. So municipalities have a great way of doing so. Some of the municipalities are very progressive in doing the same. And then there are the waste pickers and associations of waste pickers who actually work for kabadiwalas. These people are able to bring the plastics and give it to you even to some extent. They are able to give you in a segregated type, by each type plastic to you. So you can buy it from the kabadiwalas, you can buy it directly from the waste pickers, which are one chain below, one level below kabadiwalas, and therefore they are a little bit more. There's a little bit more value that you can get. The second stage is your own processing. So there is a set of equipment which I'm going to talk about in my next video, which you have to put it in about a 5,000 square foot warehouse. All of this can come in a capex of about 30 lakhs or less. So in an entire franchising activity, you will have to spend no more than 40 lakhs to create something like 600 tons of good quality plastics at the end of a year. This kind of equipment, actually, there is a series of equipment which I'm going to talk about in the next video. You are going to actually process the entire plastic and then sell. Now, the last thing is where to sell. So one assurance that we will give you as part of Pro India is that we'll help you to sell. We will link you up to the best markets to get you the best rates of the plastics. We will not only help you commission, install and commission and let the machinery run for you, we'll also help you get very good quality plastics and support you in that quality development. We also are related to a lot of brands. We are working with a lot of small and big companies which are producing plastics or processing plastics, and they need some high quality plastics like what you can produce. So we will link you up as part of Pro India deal. When you become our franchisee, we link you up to them, and then they will start sourcing directly from you, and we will not play any financial role in the same. The entire transaction will be very transparent between you and the brand. We'll just be the people who will support your company to take it to that level. So that's the promise that we have with you, that in the entire journey of sourcing, converting, and selling this plastic, we come and support you through and through